This shit says, look. Mike check, pull up to this car, I'm dropping brakes, I'm like Mike Neff. I pull up church with the Glock and my eyes red. Bitch wanna do what to me? Shit, I might let. Bad bitch wanna throw it back. Shit, I might catch. Oh, you hit that bitch without a condom? Shit, you might catch. Babe, put that one thing on with the tight dress. I was talking about they wanna. Nigga, I bet. Cop asking questions, sorry sir. See, I'm blind deaf. Niggas won't beef, yeah, alright. Got about 9 cents. Bitch, keep trying to rate the boy, let the pipe rest. Bitch, all up on my mic, bitch, the mic dead. Eating prime ribs while your bitch giving prime net. Thick bitch, see a thick bitch, get behind that. Broke by the Glock 18, where you find that? I haven't put that motherfucker, we don't mind that. When I bought a chain, you was like, where's mine at? I could tell she a hoe by the length of her eyelash. Bitch, threw that ass in the shirt, rewind that. Niggas where they can't get touched. Cake, iPad, ooh, what is that, the Gen 5? That's a nice strap. Take that motherfucker off your hip, that's mine, Jack. I never tell people shit, I take an ice bath.